Hello everyone, my name's Derek and I'm going to show you my nerf pile
Oh, never mind.
and even the finger starts on the apple super.
Okay.
And you can first you must pull this and you must pull this first and put this out, here back and push it down and press the trigger and fire. Do that.
Next.
Next, okay, here's the next nerf. There's Stampede here, and it's so nice. And there's the target nerf.
Shield.
And there's a shield too. There's even shield. And next, the Vulcan.
What's it?
Vulcan! A Vulcan is a machine gun. And we have a clip and there's a box. It is a holder. You don't need stand. If you need a stand, never mind to hold the holder.
Saan?
What? Okay, everyone, here's the next, the vortex. And the bullets are very round and even cooler. And you can pull this, but it's not working right now for the bullets. And if you have to do it, it's like a bar grip. And you must, where I got all the bullets, just push it back.
That.
Oh, right. And this one is a massive vortex. This one both have like this. They have both like this.
Can you use with the bullet? Bang, bang. No, the one. Does it have bullet inside? Does it have bullet inside? Can try?
There is.
Where? Oh, okay, come on.
Yeah.
Faster. Faster.
Like around, you put this
Mm-hmm.
back and pull this back.
Okay,
Back
then
and shoot. And,
shoot it. Shoot it.
oh, right.
Let me see.
Here.
Okay, good, nice.
Okay. You must put it back. Okay.
How about this?
Wait for me. After we're done with all the nerfs, let's do different toys, okay?
Yes, that one first.
What? This? Okay, well, here's the next, the Nunchuck, my new favorite nerf, and I'm talking about a neighbor. And so much.
Is it heavy?
It's not heavy.
How can you make it longer? Can you make it that longer? Can you make that longer? The handle? That one? That one? Can you make it longer and then shorter?
Yeah.
How?
Well, all you have to do is put this there and you make short.
Oh.
And you make it push it down big.
Nice. And this one? Cool.
Okay, my next done is the Nunchuck one.
What is it called?
The axis.
What?
Bigger than this.
Can you
Look,
face
what's the
here?
long-
Can
look,
you?
Look, the Nunchuck is more longer than the sniper.
Ooh.
Longer.
And that one?
What?
The square. What's that?
For the wall. Let me face this way.
Okay.
And you can even do the target. And you can even. And you can do it.
Oh, cool.
And here, please never mind that you can do it. Okay.
Whoops.
Okay. Here's the box for the Vulcan here. And you can even open it.
What to put inside? What to put
And
inside?
just dirt there.
Yeah, what to put inside there? Bullets?
Yeah. and
Oh.
clips. And you can open and put the clips and try the clips. Put bullets. They're long.
Oh.
You cannot do it long. It's not long. It's longer. See?
And this?
What? Okay, around here, next. The fabric.
Okay.
And it's round, just press this button.
Okay.
And you put the bullets in. And you're done.
Now you're
Back.
finished with that. Okay. Then, can you say?
Here's the two ammo. Then, on the stampede. On the stampede, I have three. Yeah. Just by another stampede. And Santa gave me it. And Santa gave me this. And then here's Santa, right?
Okay.
Oh.
Say bye-bye now.
Not. Finish it. And here. Oh. Here's the laser of the reader, and here's the target of the reader.
Okay.
Here is the ammo, and this is the ammo for Warwick, and this is the ammo, and this is the ammo, and this is a stop sign.
Okay.
And here is the train. Makes loud.
It's not Nerf anymore, right? It's not Nerf?
Oh no. Okay, right here. Don't put it on your eyes, and you can do it.
Okay, good.
More things.
Okay, say bye-bye now.
Not yet. Finish. Okay, the first thing to be done. That's the hard toy. It's the lightsaber from Skywalker, and you can push it down, and you can do this.
Whoa.
And here here's my gun, my favorite. And here's
Okay. And finish.
Goodbye, everyone. Bye.